Group 16 elements. Group 16 elements belongs to the group P block elements. So when we talk about P block elements, the elements belonging to the group 13 to 18 of the periodic table, we call it as P block elements. And basic characterization of the P block elements are done by the valence shell electronic configuration, which is NS2 NP1 to 6. Hence, the elements which is belonging to the S and P block elements in the periodic table are called as representative elements or main group elements. So, the elements which belongs to the group 16 group or the member of this family are oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. So, the electronic configuration, if we look at the electronic configuration for them, the basic configuration will be NS2NP4. For example, if we look at the electronic configuration of oxygen, it is helium 2s2 2p4. So, this becomes the general configuration of oxygen. Sulfur, neon 3s2 3p4. Selenium, argon 3d10 4s2 4p4. Similarly, we can do for other elements also. So here we are going to discuss about the physical properties of group 16 elements. First, if we look at the oxidation state, that is, it is going to show the oxidation state of -2, +2, +4, +6 oxidation state. And basically oxidation state, it is a variable oxidation state, but here oxygen will not show the oxidation state of +6 because of the absence of d orbitals in it, and the stability of -2 oxidation state decreases down the group because of the increase in atomic size and decrease in the electronegativity. And next, the second property if we discuss, it is ionization enthalpy. So if we compare the ionization energy of group 16 and group 15, you will see that group 16 will have lower energy than group 15 because of half-filled stable electronic configuration of group 15, which is nothing but NS2NP3. And as we move down the group, the ionization energy will decrease because the size is going to increase down the group. And next, if we talk about electronegativity, group 16 elements are more electronegative than group 15 element because of the small size of the group 16 element. And this group will have second highest electronegative element in the whole periodic table. So, oxygen has less negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur because of the compact nature of the oxygen atom. And if we talk about electronegativity, we all know that fluorine is the most electronegative element. So, next to fluorine, oxygen has the highest electronegativity value among all the elements. So within the group, electronegativity will decrease with increase in atomic number. And the next property is, that is, basic properties, or in general if we take certain physical properties of the group 16 elements, we could say that the tendency for catenation will decrease as we go down the group. And all the elements of this group is going to form volatile hydrides. When we talk about melting and boiling point, it will increase with increase in atomic number. Next, all group 16 element will have the eligibility or the tendency to form hydrides, and they will have bent shape. So these are all certain common properties of the group 16 elements. If we look at the anomalous behavior of oxygen, it is having it has the smallest size in its family. It will have highest ionization energy, and it does not have any vacant d orbital, and of course it is highly electronegative element in its family, or among all the elements apart from chlorine, the electronegativity of oxygen is high. And if we look at the elemental state of oxygen and sulfur, oxygen exists as diatomic gas, whereas sulfur will exist as S8 in solid form in a puckered ring-like structure. So that becomes the structure of the S, or structure of the sulfur element. So these are all the physical properties of group 16 elements, or we could say the oxygen family.